Aloha! Can you boil egg using microwave? Yes, you can. I'm using ceramic. You can also use a plastic one. Don't ever use a foil, a tin, or stainless steel. No, masisira ang inyong microwave. So plastic is fine, yung microwavable siya. Cold water, yan. Go to sa center. This is my paper towel. Old paper towel. Pag sumabog, hindi siya kakalat. That's one tip to maintain the cleanliness of your microwave. Cover your food while you're reheating. Use a damp paper towel. If not, it's fine. Still, it's okay. And it's not gonna burn. Any kind of cover there that, pang cover nyo ng pagkain nyo. I'm gonna do 2.5 minutes. I just did 2.5 minutes, or 2 minutes and 30 seconds, because I want it soft boil. If you want a hard boil egg, then you can add more minutes, or maybe 30 seconds. Not too long, okay? Okay, let's see. All right, still intact. Ooh, it's hot. The steam, be careful, okay? Kahit na may paper towel yan, lalabas yung steam. So you don't want to get burned. So you're gonna use pot holder, okay? You can hold at the bottom, then you don't get burned. But don't do this at home. If your egg is heavy, it means it's cooked. You have to remember that, okay? So when you're buying, you can feel that. If it's light, it means it's raw. Okay, this is gonna be messy because I'm holding the camera. So, okay, let's move that one. So I'm using the same paper towel. Ito, marong para siyang pointed one. Don't use this to open. Use the bottom one that is like a round one, so it's easy for you. So you heard that? Do like this, because you know why? Because I cook soft only. If it's hard, easy, all you do just pak, you're good to go. But you gotta make sure you soak it in a cold water, because the skin, especially if it's a soft one, you have to be very careful. So, but I'm using my one hand here just to show it to you. All right, so far so good. I can see the shininess of the egg. Doing it slowly for the sake of the video. There you go. You have to wash it. So, oh, diba? Wow. Show it to you kung anong inside here. Little knife. Let's see. Wow. Hard boil na siya, oh. 2.5 minutes. Depende po yan sa inyong microwave. Okay? This is real, okay? I'm not lying. Okay. For all the students who has a microwave, to everyone who owns a microwave, you can use this. It's so quick. You don't even have to peel. Once it boiled, put it in the fridge and you can peel that whenever you want to eat. That's it. It's the same thing like when you cook on the stove. Alright, ang bilis Ang bilis. Mahalo sa panunood po. Maraming salamat. Sana po may natutunan kayo ngayon. Don't forget to like and subscribe po sa Hi Pinay. Maraming salamat po. O kalahati nakain ko na. Okay, have a great day po.